Hey everyone, so recently we have made some changes and provided a new report for you, which is audit trail details. So earlier you used to see that there were two reports. First was audit report and second was audit details report. Now we have merged it into one and we have provided one audit report. So how you can go there? Please go to reports and intelligence. After going in reports and intelligence, you can simply search here audit, then it will come audit trail details, generate report. Now, once I will generate this report, please check here. It will provide you all the details. Like you can simply just go ahead and select the start date, end date for which you want each and every detail. Whatever the activity have been done on transact will be displayed to you, like purchase order register generated and process details report generated. Then after, if any item is added, document approved. So whatever changes you have did as well for the settings also, it will come in this particular report. So I do hope this particular video will be helpful to you and this report will be helpful to you in seeing all the details. Have a good day ahead.